In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix the Epic Games age verification problem. So let's get straight into the video. So to fix the Epic Games age verification problem, the required steps depends on whether you need to complete a parental consent prompt or correct an accidentally entered birth date. So the first thing you want to do is check your email for a message from Kids Web Services, KWS, and follow the link to consent. You will need to verify your identity using a valid credit or debit card, ID, face scan, or even a public record check depending on your region. If that is not the case, if the email button is not working, if the continue link in the email does not work, then open your email in an incognito or private browsing, and it should go ahead and fix it. If that is not the case, and if it is to correct an incorrect date of birth, all you need to do is simply open any browser that you prefer using and search for Epic Game Support, and simply go ahead and tell it on the AI assistant right over here, and then you're gonna get the solution for the problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.